Have you ever wondered what Kani salad really is? Let's explore this popular Japanese dish together. Kani salad is a Japanese-inspired dish made primarily with imitation crab meat, also known as kani. It usually includes shredded crab sticks mixed with fresh vegetables like cucumber and sometimes a creamy dressing. This dish is popular in sushi restaurants worldwide. Interestingly, Kani salad combines flavors and textures, offering a refreshing yet creamy bite. According to nutrition data, it provides a good source of protein while being relatively low in calories. This makes it a favorite for those seeking tasty yet light options. Kani salad also reflects the fusion of traditional Japanese cuisine with Western influences. Its popularity grew as sushi culture expanded globally, adapting to local tastes while keeping authentic elements. This makes it a fascinating example of culinary evolution. So Kani salad is more than just a side dish. It's a blend of culture, flavor, and nutrition that continues to delight many. Curious to learn more about Japanese cuisine? Keep exploring.